Tired of the same old boring salad for lunch every day? Me too. Going back to the office does you and have to mean giving up on your health goals or eating sad, unsatisfying meals? Today, I'm going to show you 10 delicious, easy, and super low-calorie lunch ideas that you can prep in no time. These are going to save you money, keep you energized, and make your coworkers totally jealous. Let's get cooking. First up, a classic with a twist, the mason jar Greek salad. Layering is key here. Start with your dressing at the bottom. Simple mix of olive oil, lemon juice, and oregano. Then, add your hearty ingredients like chickpeas and cucumbers. Follow that with cherry tomatoes, Kalamata olives, and some red onion. Top it all off with crisp romaine lettuce and a sprinkle of feta cheese. When you're ready to eat, just shake it up. The lettuce stays perfectly crisp, and everything gets coated in that zesty dressing. It's a flavor explosion under 400 calories. Next, let's talk about my go-to deconstructed sushi bowl. If you love sushi, but not the price tag, this is for you. Start with a base of cooled brown rice or quinoa. Top it with some smoked salmon or canned tuna for protein. Then, load it up with veggies. I love shredded carrots, edamame, and avocado. For that authentic sushi flavor, drizzle a little soy sauce and a touch of wasabi mayo. A sprinkle of sesame seeds, and you've got a gourmet lunch that is packed with omega-3s. Idea number 3 is a game changer. Spicy black bean burgers on lettuce wraps. You can make a big batch of these patties over the weekend. Just smash up a can of black beans with some breadcrumbs, chopped onions, and your favorite spices like cumin and chili powder. Pan fry them for a few minutes on each side. For lunch, just pack a couple of patties and some big, crisp iceberg or butter lettuce leaves. Wrap your burger in lettuce. Add a slice of tomato and a dollop of salsa. All the burger satisfaction, none of the guilt. For a taste of the Mediterranean, try my quick lemon herb chicken and veggie skewers. Chop up some chicken breast, zucchini, bell peppers, and red onion. Toss them in a marinade of lemon juice, garlic, and herbs like rosemary and thyme. Thread them onto skewers and either grill or bake them. They are perfect hot or cold and pair beautifully with a side of hummus or a light quinoa salad. They're colorful, packed with protein, and so easy to eat at your desk. Let's move on to something creamy and comforting. A lightened up zucchini noodle pasta salad. Spiralize a couple of zucchinis to create your zoodles. Toss them with pesto, cherry tomatoes, and some mini mozzarella balls. For extra protein, you can add grilled chicken or chickpeas. It's fresh, it's satisfying, and it has that pasta-like feel without the heavy carbs. It's a perfect way to get your veggie servings in. Idea 6 is my personal favorite for a busy week. The everything but the kitchen sink. Quinoa salad. Cook a batch of quinoa at the start of the week. Then, each day, you can customize it. Toss in whatever veggies you have on hand. Chopped bell peppers, cucumbers, corn, or even leftover roasted vegetables. Add a protein like black beans, grilled chicken, or a hard-boiled egg. A simple vinaigrette ties it all together. It's a new creation every day. Number 7 is for all the wrap lovers out there. Turkey and avocado collard green wraps. These are amazing. Take a large collard green leaf, trim the thick stem, and blanch it for about 30 seconds to make it pliable. Now, use it just like a tortilla. Layer on some sliced turkey, mashed avocado, and shredded carrots. Roll it up tightly. It's crunchy, fresh, and holds together perfectly. A totally grain-free, low-calorie wrap. Next, let's make a vibrant and refreshing cold peanut noodle salad. For the noodles, you can use whole wheat spaghetti or soba noodles. The magic is in the sauce. Whisk together peanut butter, soy sauce, a little honey, ginger, and lime juice. Thin it with a bit of water until it's a pourable consistency. Toss the cooked noodles with shredded cabbage, carrots, and edamame. Then pour that delicious peanut sauce over everything. Garnish with chopped peanuts for extra crunch. Idea number 9 is super simple but elegant. A caprese stuffed avocado. This one requires zero cooking. Just slice an avocado in half and remove the pit. Fill the hole with a mixture of chopped cherry tomatoes, fresh basil, and small pieces of mozzarella. Drizzle with a little balsamic glaze. It's rich in healthy fats, feels incredibly fancy, and takes literally 2 minutes to assemble. Finally, number 10 is a warm and cozy option. A curried red lentil soup. You can make a big pot of this on Sunday. Salt some onion, garlic, and ginger. Add red lentils, vegetable broth, and a can of diced tomatoes. Seasoned with curry powder, turmeric, and cumin. Let it simmer until the lentils are soft. It's hearty, warming, and incredibly nutritious. Just heat it up in the office microwave for a comforting lunch. So there you have it, 10 fantastic low-calorie lunch ideas to break you out of your lunchtime rut. I hope this gives you tons of inspiration for your work week. Which one are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more easy and healthy recipes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.